Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today is a simple stamping and paper crafts. So I am going to share a card with you today. Very quick and easy, but it's really cute because it has the Settles embossing folder on the background. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera on this. It's kind of hard to see, but it's very settled. It almost looks like a linen look to me. But it's really quick. But this can be for anybody because this is one of those that you can stamp up a bunch if you need a bunch for families or friends, and you can create this. So let's get started with it. The first thing that we're going to do is stamp it. You just need a 5.5 by 4 1/4. This is the Thick Whisper White. And then we are using the Snowman Season. Are y'all tired of this one yet? I can't help it. I love this one, and I have a few more projects with it, so watch for those. But I love this one. And then we're going to use the Settles embossing folder. This is one of our dynamic ones, and so this is what we're using for that background. But we're going to stamp first, and we're going to stamp our snowman. So I'm going to bring up my mat here. We're going to stamp it with the Memento Black because we are going to use blends to color him in, and it's very quick and easy coloring. So this is one that you can make a lot of. So we're going to stamp him right here. Isn't he so cute? How can you not love this one? And then we're going to stamp the Let It Snow with the Coastal Cabana. We're just going to stamp that right next to him, just like that. And it's that simple. I mean, you couldn't get any more easier, and it's so adorable. So we're going to use on this one, we're going to use the light Bermuda Bay. Almost didn't get that one out, and the dark Real Red. So all we're going to do is we are going to color his scarf. And then we're going to use some of this one. And then we're going to just do his nose with some pumpkin pie. And that is it. So it is that quick. Now all we need to do to finish this up is to bring up the Big Shot. Now when you're using these dynamic ones, you have to use your regular Big Shot platform, and then you are going to put your card into the folder here. I'm trying to line that up. And make sure these are really straight on here because this is really thick. And then you just need one plate on top. So we're going to just go ahead. That one moved on me. And we're going to run that through. And it's that easy. I wish you could see that on here. It's so cute. That little background just makes it look so much more elegant, and it's perfect. If you want to step it up a notch, for those of you who would love to step it up a notch, just grab some Wink of Stella and you can color him in. He's so cute. And he's all shiny and ready to go. But it adds just a little tiny bit to it, and it's just so fun. So I hope you enjoyed it today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Have a blessed one, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!